Very dark man. Well done, my brother. You are doing a very wonderful job. But quick one, Nigerians, let me quickly say this. You all will know that in very dark man ṣe, èmi náà ń ṣe, mo ń ṣe ní ìlànà pé ẹ bá rántí dáadáa, ẹ rántí pé èmi ni mo kọ́kọ́ máa ń reach out sáwọn àwọn living legends tó wà nínú movie industry. Èmi ni mo kọ́kọ́ ń lo page mi láti máa reach out sí wọn. She understand? Money Foundation to reach out to people living with disability. Tí mo fún wọn ní wheelchair. Ìyẹn on the side. So now, case of justice for Mohbad. Nígbà tí Mohbad kú, it was at the time, maybe like 2 weeks after we both made a video of his song. Níbi tó ti kọrin, tó ti sọ̀rọ̀, tó ti dárúkọ mi. So 2 weeks after or 3 weeks after, mo gbọ́ pé ó kú. So I was not happy. Inú mi ò dùn. So mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí post. I was looking for justice for Mohbad on my page. Not until I got a message that ṣé mo máa wà interested láti wà nínú movement tó ń wá justice for Mohbad. Which everybody that wants justice for Mohbad will want to be part of it. We want to be part of any group. Either come a group with any 1,000 group or 1 million groups. I will be in every of this group because I want justice for this boy. So, and in the group, there's nothing I want to say that is hidden. Everything was plain. Everybody was saying what the idea they have. In Tori, Olinkaluku Kombere, Kilo Shele, how do you go about it? And that was it. So I come in that a very dark man. When it got to a time, Timo realized that justice and what go for you on. I got tired like justice in Wadebi. I didn't see it. So I stopped talking. But that can't show anything more. So there will be no reason for me to hide anything or know anything about Mohbad's death. No coming. So Nigerians, Emma Sare back very dark man she understand? I can energy drive so Emma get it wrong.
Lólùfẹ́ wa káàkiri àgbáláyé akin lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ kí a tó tẹ̀síwájú ọ̀rọ̀ láti gbọ́ látẹnu Jigan bàbá ọjà. Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa jẹ́ ká pàdé ní comment section ká lè jíròrò lé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kí ni a ti rí nípa ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ẹ ṣé akin lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ó jẹ́ fún wa kò ní fò bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ìtẹ́ fún wa kò ní láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Orúkọ tèmi yìí padà ọmọ yín olólùfẹ́ yín ọmọlúwàbí olóńkè yín.
See me in that group has nothing to do with anything hidden.